The Kalstein YR06098 large animal anesthesia machine is designed for safe and precise anesthesia in animals weighing up to 1,200 kilograms. It supports manual and spontaneous ventilation modes and features a high-precision oxygen flowmeter adjustable from 0 to 10 liters per minute. Its precision vaporizer ensures stable anesthetic delivery, while the circular CO2 absorber includes an 8-liter soda lime canister, visible respiratory valves, a pressure gauge, and an adjustable pop-off valve. A 30-liter breathing bag provides the capacity required for large animals. With its stable anti-tip structure, upper handles, and optional mobile cart, the YR06098 offers accuracy, safety, and convenient operation in professional veterinary environments.